About how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not sending on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not sending on Gmail, we click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Gmail app. Then you can click on first stop. So here you can search about Gmail and you can click on first stop. Then you can click OK. He will enter to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again.